Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make stewed turkey wings. First, clean and pat dry about 2 to 3 pounds of turkey wings. Next, season them generously with salt, black pepper, and your preferred spices. Then, chop 1 large onion, 2 carrots, and 3 celery stalks to create a flavorful base for your stew. This preparation ensures a delicious start to your meal. Now, let's get those wings beautifully browned. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pot or Dutch oven. Carefully place your seasoned turkey wings in the hot oil and brown them on all sides until they're golden. Remove the wings, then add your chopped onions, carrots, and celery to the pot, sautéing for about 5 minutes until softened. Finally, stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic for 1 more minute. It's time to build the rich stew base. Deglaze the pot with 1 cup of chicken broth, making sure to scrape up all those flavorful brown bits from the bottom. Return the brown turkey wings to the pot. Add 3 more cups of chicken broth and a can of diced tomatoes. Bring everything to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat, cover, and let it simmer for 2 to 2.5 hours until the turkey is incredibly tender. Your stewed turkey wings are almost ready. After simmering, check the turkey wings for tenderness. They should be practically falling off the bone. If you prefer a thicker stew, you can create a cornstarch slurry with a tablespoon of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of cold water, then stir it into the simmering stew until it thickens. Serve your delicious, hearty stewed turkey wings hot, perhaps with some fluffy rice or creamy mashed potatoes. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.